The heavenly value is equal to 1.7204 rands per coin. The current price range is 1.70021.7284. The previous day's closing was 1.7214, and the change is 0.0010. ZAR to XLM reverse rate of 0.06%. Heavenly prices are predicted for the foreseeable future and this month. On Thursday, May 11th, the heavenly gauge cost 1.57 rand, with a high of 1.68 and a low of 1.46. Heavenly costs 1.55 rand on Friday, May 12th, with a high of 1.66 and a low of 1.44. On Monday, May 15th, the heavenly gauge cost 1.55 rand, with a top of 1.66 rand and a low of 1.44 rand. On Tuesday, May 16th, the heavenly cost estimate was 1.50 rand, with a high of 1.61 rand and a low of 1.40 rand. Heavenly gauge cost 1.51 rand on Wednesday, May 17th, 1.62, high, 1.40, low. On May 18th, the forecasted heavenly cost was 1.49 rand, with a high of 1.59 and a low of 1.39. On May 19th, the heavenly gauge was 1.50 rand, with a high of 1.61 and a low of 1.40. On Monday, May 22nd, the most recent heavenly cost forecast was 1.48 rands. On Tuesday, May 23rd, the heavenly gauge cost 1.42 rand, high 1.58, low 1.38. High 1.52, low 1.32. Heavenly value forecast for 2023-2024-2025-2026-2027. Heavenly cost estimate for April 2023. First cost at 1.99 rands. Extravagant cost 2.12, while low cost 1.43. Discovered the median value of cost 1.78. Heavenly cost estimate for the months and 1.58% change for April. They found the median cost value of 1.51. Heavenly cost gauge for the months and 1.45 change for May. 8.2%. Heavenly costs are expected to begin at 1.45 rands in June 2023, with a high of 1.80 and a low of 1.45. He arrived at the middle of 1.60. Heavenly costs are expected to rise by 1.68% between now and June 2023. Heavenly cost forecast for the months and 1.7% change for July 1, 2023. Heavenly cost forecast for the months and 1.7% change for July 1, 2023. The initial forecasted heavenly cost for August 2023 was $1.70. Rand's high cost 2.11, low cost 1.70. He arrived at the middle of cost 1.87. Heavenly costs conjecture at the conclusion of the month. August had a 1.97% change. Heavenly prices forecast for the months and 1.65% change in September 2023. Heavenly cost projection for October 2023 began at 1.65 rands, peaked at 1.65 rands, and bottomed out at 1.29 rands before ending the month at 1.50 rands. Change of 1.39% in October. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.37. Heavenly cost figure for the months and 1.36 change for November. 2.2%. Heavenly cost projection for December 2023 began at 1.36 rands, with a high of 1.69 rands and a low of 1.36 rands. He had reached the midpoint of cost of 1.50 rands before the end of the month. December 1.58. Heavenly cost number for January 2024 began at 1.58 rands, with an exorbitant cost of 1.58 and a low cost of 1.34. He had attained a price threshold of 1.49 rands by the end of the month. 8.9% change in terms of 1.44. Heavenly cost projection for February 2024 was initially priced at 1.44 rands, with a high of 1.65 rands and a low of 1.43 rands. They arrived at a median price of 1.52 rands, a 6.9% change. Prior to expenses of 1.54 rands, excessive cost 1.54, while low cost 1.20, he arrived at the median of cost 1.39 heavenly cost figure towards the months and 1.29 change for spring 16.2% heavenly cost prediction for April 2024. He reached the median of cost 1.19 heavenly cost number towards the months and 1.13 change for April. 12.4% SAR to XLM swapping scale equal to 0.5813 coins per 1 rand. The current reach 0.5786 minus 0.5882 change for now, plus 0.0004 plus 0.07% rand to heavenly gauge on Monday, April 24th. Cost 0.562 coins high 0.602 low 0.526 SAR. To XLM forecast on Tuesday, April 25th, cost 0.585, coins high 0.629 low 0.546. Bitcoin began the new week trading in the red as markets prepared for a busy week of economic events in the United States. BTC is currently trading at $28,000. It reached a high of $29,900 during the weekend. Investors are paying close attention to what the Federal Reserve says on Wednesday about whether or not it will raise interest rates, said Mudrex co-founder and CEO Edel Patel. The entire market value of all cryptocurrencies was around $1.16 trillion, up 1.51% in the last 24 hours. DeFi's total volume is currently $2.50 billion. Accounting for 7.18% of all cryptocurrencies' total 24-hour volume. All stablecoins are now at $32.31 billion, accounting for 92.87% of the crypto market's entire 24-hour value. On the market, Bitcoin was worth approximately $543 billion. It was the world's largest cryptocurrency. According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin's market share is now 46.67%, 0.23% lower than it was yesterday. Bitcoin has been strong, and it has grown in all 4 months of the year for the first time since 2013. It is currently in a short-term decline, but there is solid support at $27,000 if it falls any more. Once it bounces back, said Vikram Subburaj, CEO of Giadas crypto platform, getting back $30,000 will be the best way to go. The U.S. Federal Reserve will host a press conference later this week. We expect some volatility on both sides based on the status of the economy